Dan, and we're back with another video. Today we're going to Bimmer Invasion. Been waiting to come to this show for a cool minute ever since I found out and where to go. I went last year and it was extremely hot. It was super hot. We ended up leaving pretty quick because it was all outdoors. This one, I think there's a lot of halls indoors and then outdoors and all that, but we're 14 minutes away, and I didn't want to have the car in there, but I didn't get to do anything in time. You guys haven't seen even the X5 at all, but I got my front window tinted and it cracked. But anyways, we're heading there now, so I'll record when I get there. You ever see these B7s? I think that's wrapped though, the hood. Well, Pina B7, and it looks super sick. Wow. I think this is Ty's M6. Yes, it is. And he got it to have it in the show. I think these are the VIP parking cars. We're just gonna kind of go through quick through these. There's another orange E92 over there. M6 here. And then we have the new M5 G90. But M6 is so cool. And then we got this one, the one of one color from the homie. Here's Laguna Seca Blue M6. Shit. This color is really, really nice. And I have a photo shoot with him. Oh, he has a little toy M6 in there too. Series is 3 of them. See, when I had the M6, nobody had the M6 series. Now there's so many here, but now we're not gonna find no X5Ms. There's the X3M. I don't know if Vic came, but it's supposed to come. Damn, look at this M8. Sheesh. Well, I don't know if you guys can see anything. It looks too nice on this M5.
Once again, 130.
Damn.
The Implemented Hall. Check out TJ Hunt.
Look at this X5M, the newer ones with the carbon hood. I want something like this type of wheels. It scared me. I thought it was really somebody inside in the X5M. This is cool. Oh, they're Boston's. It's not an X5M. This is not an X5M. Oh, come on. I don't know if you guys can see anything because there's blue TEs on this, but everything looks dark on the camera. That fade is nice in that color. I won't be able to see, or oh yeah, duh, I have sunglasses on, that's why I can't see. Everything looks dark, but I have sunglasses on. BBS's. We gotta find Mark's G80. So he got no wheels. That's pretty orange.
Your car is part of the judging team. Please come to the stage. We gotta make some announcements. Once again,
M6. First, last year when I had the M6, I couldn't park it in here because the car wasn't cool enough. Now there's M6s everywhere, and I know him too. This is sick to see them all in here. More cars over there. Not gonna walk over there. And then Nick unveiled his G80, almost same color as this. Gonna go inside now. Now we're in here. I had to change some sunglasses to my regular glasses. I'm gonna have to sit at this VIP area all day. Oh, just super hot. I see Kevin already. Movie star at G82. With the super clean too. All these builds are super nice. They've done here. I think that's Daniel's. It is Daniel's with the HRE. Sick. And by the door VIP status. Fresh kick 734, that M3340i. really like those wheels, they're super cool. Ruining people's shots. BMW bikes are always cool. It's really nice. E30. Everybody has M5 wagons now. 7 Series, these wheels are nice. This thing is beautiful. I'll be like this, it'll be the perfect daily. I like these wheels a lot. It's nice in the color.
Merch.
Chick-fil-A on the
Invasion.
calipers.
Merch.
Even on
Come
the
to
roof.
the stage at 2 p.m. 10 minutes. We're gonna give away some free stuff from Bimmer Invasion and
this is nice.
Sponsors. So make sure you guys come out
Clean.
to the stage in 10 minutes. 10 more minutes. Make sure
And
you
this
guys
is
come
nice,
to the stage.
titanium. Oh damn, the rear seat delete's nice. Titanium cage, and the carbon seat delete. Laguna Seca blue. It's beautiful. Oh wow. The Tiffany blue? Alpina. It's Alpina. This is super clean. E36. Cheap. This is clean. Come this way. But this is even sicker. F80 wagon. This is much sicker than that. This does not exist, but it's made, and they're amazing. This would be a dream build to do one day. F80 wagon. It looks so nice. I don't know why they didn't make them like in the United States. M5 CS. Wow. This would be M5 CS. Wow. Oh, this is nice. M5, the old school M5s. Oh look, Martins. Even Martin. Where's Martin? I haven't seen Martin. Would he get mad if I sit in his car? Look. We walked so much, there's still so much more. I think these are the same wheels Nick has. So many cars everywhere. And a lot of wagons, but still no X5Ms. That one's nice. Super clean.
Here we go.
I don't know if all these halls have cars though. The Louis Vuitton inside, everywhere. Even the lip, carbon, everything is Louis Vuitton. Everything is the carpet. Super nice. I like the big wings in some cars, and this looks super sick. This is also clean. Red M4, M3, Simon's F80 M3. As you guys know, I got inspired to do the Christmas lights from him because he was the first one to do it, and he was cool enough to tell me how he did it. Carbon trunks is sick. I'm tired as hell of walking, guys, so if I sound tired, it's because I'm tired of walking now. Everything is BBS this year. This is nice. Yeah. This one too. I like when they do the badge like that, like in print. M4. This color is beautiful. So we go to Oregon, we'll see him. It's color, both of them, the F80 M3 and then F82. Sheesh. What? Oh yeah, that's how the other guy has it too. Yeah, the steering wheel is cool. These are gonna be all the old school classic BMWs. E36 wagon. This is super clean. This one too. I love these. I know these, they make some of these in M6s. Well, not some. A lot of them are made for M6s. But this one's not one. But this one's still clean. Super nice. These are sick too. These are just nice. Another wagon. I love wagons. E46 in Laguna Seca blue. This is beautiful. And it has the blue interior. This is like rare. This blue interior is amazing. You like the blue interior? Another E30. Yeah, this is beautiful. The blue one. Shit. Too sick. This is super clean. Ooh. The neighbor has one of these and has been sitting in his driveway forever. I need to pick one up like this. This is clean. This is super clean. Alpina, oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. And it's a real Alpina. Now this is super clean. Has BBS is on it too. Look at this. Super sick. This is super cool car. I love when the hood opens like this. It's Alpina too. Wow. This is the model, this black one. Yes, it is rare. These are all the old school ones. Another Alpina over there. E30s. I don't know what these are. They're so cool. Look at this one. My god. What is this? Whatever this is, I need it. Whatever that is, I need this. Huh?
What'd you say?
Whatever car that is, I need it. Look at this. This is the car where Tupac was shot in. This is the same original car where he was shot in Vegas. Yeah. But you guys see the information right there. This is the same one. I think they won like $1 million for this. These look super cool with all. This is the Taste the Rainbow. You guys see like all the different color cars, Doggers. All the way up to Kevin. EX5M in here, and I've seen this at other meets. But he has a whole dress-up kit on it. This looks good, and the wheels look good. They look great. And now X3M here. X5M. It's from Arizona. Sick. And another one there, but this is like the only one here. And it's, at least it was parked inside. It could have been Vic here too, but let's see. I think this is gonna be it though. I'm not gonna be here no more. It's too hot. I'm tired. My girl's tired. I think it's time to leave.
On my hip, this bitch feel like it's law and order. You know I stay lit, I just rolled up a fucking quarter. Then when I slide, I can't pull up in nothing normal.